saltwater and freshwater. We're sort of like half and half, 2/3, 1/3 here. And the freshwater comes from downriver out into this bit. And a bit of it goes to the right. So this is what we call the upper Noosa River. So the lower river comes up into the lake, and you've got this forest area where the river goes across the forest floor, which you divide up between the upper and the lower. So the lower river is all saltwater, the upper river is freshwater. Just look off to the right, you'll see when I was talking about how the lake, the river goes into the forest. We've got another big one called Saratoga. It's like an eel in shape. Really pretty when it gets near the surface. It's got rainbow coloured scales on it. But it's really a bottom dweller, and once again tastes like mud, like a catfish. Again, it's a pretty bigger fish. The other four species we've got here, little guppies and things that like to hang around with the sedge and reeds and things here. Talking to such illustration out there as well. Can't see what it is from here. Pretty good at this sort of thing, you know. One of our retired skippers, Captain Barry, has come around this bend one time, and a snake, a python, a carpet python, was crossing the trees over the river. There's a branch coming out, where is it? It's further out here. And its head was out in the air over the middle of the river, and it gradually stretched across to reach the branches on the left-hand side, and then started to pull itself across the gap. And he took some photos, and they drove the boat right under the snake's belly. Pythons aren't venomous. They're strangulous, but in a boat you can see. Occasionally we see tiger snakes swimming across the river, so if you're paddling your canoe and you see this thing doing S patterns, just stop your canoe and let it all go up in the grass and go. Really hot days is when they tend to go. We're going to stop here and set up morning tea and wait till the paddlers get up here. So the idea is to get you to have your morning tea before the paddlers get here, so you'll be ready to start the paddlers there, canoes come in, you'll go out. But see on the left, that little...
That one in calling you.
He's fine.
I know, but they do. Look at the size of them. Hey son, we'll follow behind you. You can see that it's
on his own? You've got a mate or a child.
Big log.